Hey guys, what's up? Some of you guys requested a contouring tutorial, and I just finished the grip safety, so I was thinking I'll do that. It works pretty nicely actually. Half cock, can't pull the trigger. Full cock, can't pull the trigger, and with the grip safety of course I can. And it's still a freeform mag, so yeah. So to show you guys this, I'll just take it out. This is what it looks like on the inside. Pretty hard to see, but yeah. And this is the grip safety. I had to do a few modifications, like make this piece a bit longer, but it works very nicely. So what I'll be doing is, you can see I marked out a black line right here. I'll just get a pencil, show you guys better. But yeah, right here, I want to go out to about this point here, and then have it go all the way out here. So this is what I'll be removing, and I'll be removing that from this point right here. See if I can just focus that thing a bit, yeah, like that. Good enough. From here, around 1/3 on each side, and then pretty much identical on this side right here. So this is what I'll be removing. And also I fixed the inside right here with the Dremel a bit. Just get a nice surface for the hammer strut. So the way you do this, this works for any kind of surface. Like here, this piece right here was 2 individual pieces. The frame, of course, and the magwell, and it was a piece in between. And you can actually see where the line goes and where the filling material is. So just what I used was a knife, and I put it like this and carved it so I got it a nice thickness, and filled out with baking soda and super glue, just to fill out any imperfections, and then of course file it down. This is a good set. You guys can get, like, I can't really show nicely, but yeah, contains a lot of different small files and stuff like that. So at least I will get is a flat one like this, a round one, this is a semicircle, and a completely rounded one. These are good to use because you can use them for different things. This is for the flat half circle, is for like rounded parts, this is for flat parts and holes and stuff like that, and get a nice surface. So you need a pencil, different files, a knife, glue, super glue, and baking soda. And if you have this little tool, is perfect for pretty much anything you want to remove material. It's a little shipping tool, kinda. You pretty much just put it like this and you can remove material. Works good on hard stuff like wood and paper, so it's really good. So I'll just put this one to the side, and to achieve this kind of effect, first you need a sharp blade. So I'll be removing the outer point like that. So I have a nice sharp edge, and what I'll do is I'll just begin cutting like this. Pretty simple. And this can take some time. You want to put down a lot of time on it. But when you have removed a bit of material like that, then you can keep going. Just see if I can get a better camera angle. Just keep going like this. And you can of course use a Dremel, of course. It's faster, easier to use, but this works as well. So just keep going until you have what you want. And to use this tool, pretty much put it like this on the surface, and it's like a knife, just go over like this and it removes material. It's pretty simple. So yeah, I'll do this with a Dremel, and yeah, I'll pause the video. Right guys, I'm back from the drawing. I made this nice round surface. It's not done yet, but it feels really good against the hand like this. It's a nice fit. So now what you want to do is just remove any material that may have come on the sides like this, just to get a nice surface. Sorry if the camera's shaking, but yeah, I'm shaking this shit, so just go over it like this. I did the sides a bit too, the edges and stuff. Usually this goes a lot faster when you're not filming, but yeah. If I can get this thing to autofocus a bit, yeah, like that. So you just go over any side like this pretty easy with a file. And of course this is a rounded part in several dimensions, both like this and in this way like this. So you have to go both like this and sideways. So you want to use a rounded file for this semicircle, and just keep going until you're happy, I guess. It's pretty simple. But yeah, after you're happy with it, you have to do a final step, and then it's pretty much done, I guess. So yeah, I'll pause the video again, finish that. Like that, finished. I just smoothed it out and made it a bit nice like that. So let's see if I can show you guys what it looks like when it's mounted. Where's that one? There it is. Like that. A lot nicer, more rounded. Feels great, really. Still works perfectly. So next step is to fix the other things with baking soda. I have a small, let's see if I can get this thing to focus properly. I have a small hole right there that I want to fill out, and there's some things in between the two different pieces that I glue together, and right up here there's an edge, and the same thing here. I have this hole crack thing there. I'll fill that out with paper, and also this one I think I'm going to add a few layers to compensate right there. So yeah, the way you do this is you clean it up a bit, just rub it with the finger like this, and this is pretty not dangerous, but I have seen fumes come off. It reacts with super glue and creates fumes, the baking soda. But remember, always use super glue, no PVA, PVC, no PVA and aluminum glue and stuff like that. It contains water, so it will just create carbon dioxide and it won't work. So what you do is take your super glue, you see, yeah, pretty much rub out the glue like this wherever you want it, and just dip the part in baking soda. Shake it off a bit. You can blow it off as well, and all of a sudden you have that a bit thicker part like that. Now just let that dry for a couple of seconds. My glue is a really thin glue, so it takes some extra time. The good thing with it is, if I like want to make a part like this, I can take 4 layers, drip out a bit of glue, just compress that in there, do the same thing on the other side, and after that has dried for like 15 seconds, it's a piece like that. So it's really fast, you don't have to add every layer, you can add together 3-4 layers and then I glue on top and go straight through. So yeah, I'll just do this on the other sides as well. Let's do that entire part in one session like that. Dip it, blow it off. Yeah, there. And now it's a complete surface like that. Do the same thing up here. With the edges, any holes like that, just go over it like this. Done. Now I filled out this and that and this side right here and all that. So if you want to, you can go over with super glue, just like this, causing it to go through the top as well. Actually gonna do that. It makes it a lot harder. And damn it. If I, yeah, there's fumes coming from that. If you have a light, actually this light helped a bit, I guess. Yeah. So that comes fumes from. So you really don't want to breathe too much of that in. But yeah, that has already now dried, and it has a pretty bad surface like that. So just put on your tab like that. So I'm almost 12 minutes. Better round this video off now. Damn my parents. Anyway, just keep filing like this, and just as you did before, and this time it will be filled out. You can do it to the Dremel as well. Just pause the video. Yeah. Alright guys, done with that. 3 minutes left on the video until I run out of memory. And it looks great actually. I did the sides, filled out this back portion right here. Other side, it's really smooth like that. Just need to sandpaper it. And here, and did the corners a bit. Some more here I might add. Just like this. Next is just this hole here. But yeah, feels great. Alright, I'll try it on, see if it fits. I have to take off the mainspring housing this time. Just to hang on. Alright guys, I had just fiddled a bit with it. Took 2 minutes. So yeah, it now still works perfectly, and it looks great actually. It doesn't stick out too much. It's even with this portion right here, and it is thick enough. Maybe a couple of layers, I don't know, we'll see. So it actually looks pretty good. It has the little corner, let's see if I can get the angle, the rounded part there. It's pretty nice, but it feels great, really great actually. So yeah, that's about it for today. I think I'm running out of memory. So yeah, it all works. I'm really happy with it. Still a free fall. Had some problem with that, but I fixed it. And picking up some weight actually, around 150 grams I think. But I need to fix the pins for this plunger tubes, thumb safety, the slide stop, and the rails. Then it's the lower should be done. Then maybe the ejector, of course. So yeah, I'll come back to you guys in a few next week, I think. Begin on the slide then. So yeah, share guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, that's it. Thanks guys. Bye.